Hello friends, I hope you're well. Audrey here. Today I'm going to show you what I got to add to my new plant collection. Here is the box. Actually, I'm gonna be honest, I already unboxed this box. I took all my plants out. I didn't film in this video because it was such a gloomy day the past weekend when I received this box, and the lighting was pretty bad, so I didn't really film in the unbox video, physically open the box. I did took all the plants out and check all of them. They all looks really good, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got this time. Here is my Hoya YT. I hope I pronounced this name right. I'll definitely put the name to the side so you guys can see it. But look at this plant. I actually purchased a YT during the pandemic. It was a small cutting, it was small rooted cutting, and definitely doesn't look like this one, and it was cost a lot more than this one. So when I received this one, I was very impressive. Look how healthy this plant is. It has several growing points, and here's more, and there's a little one inside. And it's such a big plant for the price I paid, and they all look so good. So I'm really excited when I open this one as my first plant. Look how beautiful it is. I love the sun-stressed color on all the leaves. It looks so beautiful, like sun-kissed. If I purchase the variegated version, I definitely gonna get the full green color version. So this is another YT, and looks how good this one looks. It's actually in the 4 inches pot. I'll show you the pots come with it. But there's so many new growths on those plants, and just looks so good. I've never received Hoya this beautiful on Etsy for long time. I always get cutting from them, so when I got this plant and it looks so good with the price I paid, I'm just very happy with this order for sure. Here is Hoya Morelii. I'm sure I butchered this name pretty bad, but look at this handsome Hoya. It looks so good. There's another growing tip right here. It's alive and looks really good, and of course this one is definitely alive and looks really good. So it's definitely not damaged during the transportation. The seller actually packed all the plants really good, and there's no soil leaked through the packaging inside the box, and they are all plumbed, and there's no any setback. At least from what I see right now, I don't think they're gonna have a setback in the growth. And this is definitely gonna be a new Hoya to me. I actually did not know much about this Hoya. I don't even think I watched any video about the Hoya collector have this Hoya in their collection. I could be wrong, but yes, I might have to do some research on this one just to get a hand of this one, or we're gonna learn together about each other. The last one is actually not a Hoya, but it's the whole reason I placed this order. So I got this Monster Dubia and then 3 other Hoya like I showed you before. But look at this thing. this is the whole reason I decided to order plant from this seller. I saw this one on a nursery near me. Actually, it's a really good nursery, has a really good price normally speaking, but when I saw this one in that nursery, it was so expensive that I didn't even think about buying it. And when I saw this plant on the Etsy store with such a good price, so the nursery price actually tripled what I purchased for this plant. That can show you how expensive this plant is. So I have to purchase this plant. Just look at this thing, it's so beautiful. I love the growth pattern of this one, and I saw online a lot of people has a wood plank like right here and just let them climbing up. I actually was going to let these plants grow in exactly like how it's come, going on the sideway and wrapping back, and it keeps going. So I will let it rest in this part for a week or two, let it just take a break, and then I'm gonna repot these plants and put a long wood plank right here and let it just like this growth pattern going circle, so I don't have to update it, the wood plank too often per se. But yeah, look at this one, so beautiful. I'll show you this big leaves. Such a beautiful plant. I know it's not Hoya, but I still want you guys to see, just in case if this one's also on your wish list to get. So yeah, definitely check out this seller. I'm very impressed by her plant and her packaging job. So this ends my unboxing new plant video. Not really unboxing, I didn't unbox in front of you guys. I just want to show you guys what I got for the first plant shopping of 2023. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. I hope you all have a fabulous week. Happy growing!